In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a rectangle into a frame in Figma. This is a handy trick, especially if you're looking to organize your designs or transform shapes into reusable components. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more design tips and tricks. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Figma file where you plan to create this frame. Once your file is open and ready, it's time to get started. Begin by drawing a rectangle. To do this, head over to the toolbar where you'll find the rectangle tool. You can also take a shortcut by pressing the letter R on your keyboard. This is a quicker way to bring up the rectangle tool without needing to click anything. With the tool selected, click and drag your mouse across the canvas to create your rectangle. As you drag, you'll see the shape beginning to form, and you can adjust the size as needed. Once your rectangle is in place, the next step involves verifying its properties. With the rectangle still selected, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen where the Properties panel resides. It's important to ensure that this object is indeed a rectangle and hasn't accidentally been turned into a frame already. This panel will confirm that you're working with a rectangle by showing its attributes, which should match those typical of rectangle objects in Figma. Now, with confirmation in hand, let's convert this rectangle into a frame. While your rectangle is still selected, go ahead and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu, which is a powerful feature in Figma for quick actions. Look for the option labeled Frame Selection and click on it. It's as easy as that. Once you make this selection, Figma will automatically convert the rectangle into a frame, retaining the size and position of the original shape just as it was. This seamless process allows you to maintain consistent layout properties while gaining the enhanced capabilities that frames provide. And that's the complete process. You've successfully transformed a simple rectangle into a versatile frame within Figma. From here, you can use this frame to organize elements, define sections within your design, or even as a reusable component for future projects. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. If this tip has helped you improve your design workflow, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next one.